Hello gardeners, I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be harvesting and pruning our tomatoes as well as making a little recipe. Enjoy! So here's our tomato beds. They have gotten so huge. It's been a struggle to keep on top of their pruning, etc. So we have, this is a type of cherry tomato that I'm not quite sure of. And then over here, the tomatoes that are on the ground right here, right here. Oh, they're all rotten anyway. But these are black Krim tomatoes. We'll let the deer eat those. So these are black Krim tomatoes, and the big fat ones that are not ripe yet, those are Boxcar Willie. And then these small ones, those are Gardener's Delight cherry tomatoes. So let's get the pruning. So this is the plants that we're going to be pruning. So tomato pruning is done so that there's not enough airflow around the plant because, I mean, these things are beasts. They're huge. So you're just going to cut, it's safe to cut a third of the branches on the bottom because they usually won't produce fruit. So I'm just going to cut, I'm going to cut away at this so I can actually see what kind of fruits we have going. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to be harvesting the tomatoes. And here are the tomatoes that we collected, harvested. There's also 3 green beans in there. I didn't realize they were ripe. So let me just go over the varieties. So in there is the black Krim, Boxcar Willie, Gardener's Delight, and a cherry tomato that I have no idea what it is. And finally, Blue Lake 274 green beans. And now we're going to be moving on to the recipe section. Okay, so I have my cutting board, I have my knife, and now I just need to get a bowl. So we also have some tomatoes. Ooh, there's some bugs in that one. That tomato I accidentally punctured. But we'll get a different one. I just need to find a little bowl. So we're going to be making some bruschetta, which is usually eaten with bread in Italy. So let's find a good ripe tomato. Ooh, this one's hot. This looks ripe to me. And we'll use a Gardener's Delight cherry. That one's orange. Okay, this one's good. Okay, so we're just going to try and pull off this top. If we can't, it doesn't matter because we're going to have to cut off that part off anyway. So we're just going to cut slightly above that. And now we're going to cut into slices. So we're gonna do this. But we're not cutting all the way through the tomato. So this is what it should look like. And now we're going to, a serrated knife would probably be better for this. Sorry about that, camera bombers. Anyway. Okay, so there. It may look a little less. Sorry. It may look messy, but that's how it's going to be. So we're going to be cutting this up. So it's in nice cubes. And we're going to be making some bruschetta. Gotta spin in the fridge for a few hours. And we're gonna just serve it up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a note or feedback.